the Embassy Suites. Long way down. A lot of nice natural light. Love it. Love it. Embassy Suites in Rosemont, Illinois. And we want to have a little tour of the room. I should say rooms. Because it's like, wow, kapow. So, how awesome is that? TV, that's the front door. That's different because it's a double door, kind of got glass. You could see people going past it. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but we do have that. Looks like somebody got a little weird with the shade. Dent in there. But it's a very nice room. Whew. Look at that, a nice sink, almost like a wet bar. Very cool. There's your bathroom. It's a little small, but what do you want for free, right? Beautiful shower, very nice. Very nice, a little squeaky. I thought this was interesting. Any guesses? Guesses? Ta-da! It's a little small person closet. It's kind of funny, but I guess that's really all you would need. But extra pillow was there, a nice full-length mirror here, and another one so you could see the back. Ooh, that's different. Like that. And ta-da! Looks like a king-size bed. Pretty, pretty. And I'm on the 8th floor. So that is our view. Oh, there's a plane, the plane. See? Just at the parking lot. Oh my goodness. So I am here for the pre-bus tour. Pre-show bus tour. That's what this is. And for Transworld Halloween and Haunted House trade show, so it is a blast. It's gonna be a blast. And everybody gave me water. So let's see what the Hilton gave me water. They gave me 2 waters, 1 and 2. Very nice. And the Halloween people gave me 2 waters as well. But we also got a little coupon for the make your own omelette, or they make an omelet for you in the morning, as well as a card for 2 free drinks in the evening. Very nice. Nice room. Not bad for free. Stay tuned to find out how you too can get one of these kind of rooms for free. Pretty cool, huh? It's very nice. Okay. Okay, here we are in the Embassy Suites. And I wanted to do a review about the shower. It wasn't bad shower water pressure at all. But the problem was, okay, you see how this door here, it slides closed. Rattle, 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 rattle. That's not good. So that door moves back and forth, but guess what? This panel here does not move. So, because that is stationary, which I normally like, but the problem is when you go to try to turn the shower on. and you can see there's the shower head, there's the control at the very back. And when you're new to a shower, you don't know which way it goes. You could be in for a very rude awakening. And to stand in there, the water does not shoot out even far enough. And I don't even see how you can tilt the head either, but to get to that control, I had to use my comb and try not to hit the water until I got the temperature just right. See, that's not a good idea. I love that. That's great with the, with the one door that doesn't move. Love that, but that could be a scary thing when you turn the water on. But anyway, beautiful door, lovely. The water pressure was great at first, and then it slowly tapered off as we went by. But overall, a nice bathroom, nice thought process, but those controls should be over here. And then you could do it right. Nobody ever does that. I will. On to the next. Going down. Having a glass wall is always so cool. It's a very slow elevator, but it's not bad, not bad. It takes forever to get up there to the 8th floor, but it's pretty cool. There we go. Creepy stair. Ooh. There we go. Cool. And out we go. Whoa, a little bit of a shomp. Not too bad, just a little. Enough to notice it. Down to the lobby. Pretty stained glass. Ground floor. We've got meeting rooms over there. And then we've got a nice little bar over there. Cool.